Hello guys, welcome to the new section, Reactive Programming and Data Streams. This section will discuss reactive programming design patterns in Go. Reactive programming is a programming concept that focuses on data streams and the propagation of change. Technologies such as Kafka allow us to quickly produce or consume a stream of data. As a result, these technologies are a natural fit for one another. In the Connecting Kafka to goflow video, we'll explore combining a Kafka message queue with goflow to show a practical example of using these technologies. This section will also explore various ways to connect with Kafka and use it to process messages. Lastly, this section will demonstrate how to create a basic GraphQL server in Go. Now, we move on to the video, goflow for data flow programming. The goflow package is useful for creating data flow-based applications. It tries to abstract concepts so that you can write components and connect them together using a custom network. This video will recreate the application, but it will do so using the goflow package. To get started, we would need the goflow package, so run this go-get command. After that, create section 4 directory and navigate to it. Inside this directory, we create another directory, goflow, and navigate to it. Now, create a file named components and add this code. Here, encoder base 64 encodes all input. The onVal function does the encoding, then pushes the result onto e.response. Then we have printer, which is a component for printing to stdout. Lastly, onLine function prints the current line received. Go back to the terminal and create another file, network.go, with this content. In this file, we have defined encoding app, which creates a flow-based pipeline to encode and print the result. And the new encoding app function wires together the components. The lines define component types, and eConnect the components using channels. To map the in channel to val, which is tied to onVal function, we have this line of code. Next, create example directory and navigate to it. Create main.go and add this content. Ensure that you modify the goflow import. We can now test the code. So go to the terminal and run main.go. It prints all the messages. The goflow package works by defining a network graph, registering some components, and then wiring them together. This can feel a bit error-prone, since these are described using strings, but usually this will fail early in runtime until it's set up correctly. We set up two components, one that base 64 encodes an incoming string, and one that prints anything passed to it. We connect it to an in channel that is initialized in main.go. Anything passed onto that channel will flow through our pipeline. We saw in this video how small the code is to accomplish pipeline of tasks, and that we have fewer knobs to control the number of workers, among other things. Nice!